I always say what I'm feeling. I was born without a zip on my mouth.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Meghna Cheese and Meghna. As a part of our eyeshadow series, this is my 3 pigment eyeshadow look. So please watch to know more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. This eyeshadow technique can look great on a traditional attire. This technique is fairly difficult and you may need more products to achieve this look.
I'm starting by filling my eyebrows with brofiller, concentrating just on filling the gap as I already have a thick brows. This is completely optional. Evening it out by a spoolie brush. Next step is to apply concealer on your eyelid. Apply it evenly all over your eyelid with the help of a flat brush. Then start blending it out with a beauty blender. Apply translucent powder to mattify your eyelid. Now the base is ready. Let's start with the eyeshadow. Start by applying a base color to your crease area. Here I'm using Sandalwood shade from Huda palette. You can add more to intensify the look. Next, I am taking a darker brown shade from the same palette and apply only to the outer corners of your eyes. Make sure you smudge both the colors properly. Now just to intensify, I am applying a black shade to the outer corner of my eye. And once again, don't forget to smudge all the colors in. For the cut crease, apply a thin layer of concealer and make sure it stays inside the crease line. Cover the concealer till your eyeball area. I'm going back to the colors I used before to smudge and give it a cleaner look. Applying a maroon brown to the eyeball area and make sure it is smudged properly. Let's start with applying 3 pigments, starting from silver to my inner corner of my eyes. Next pigment is gold glitter from Huda palette. Make sure it is applied evenly and there is no patchwork. Next pigment would be a maroon glitter to my eyeball area. Don't forget to blend all the pigments so that there is no line between. Now for the lower lid, I am applying all the same colors I used before. You can also apply a contrast colors to make your eyelid fashionable. I'm using a brown eye pencil here. You can also use black, nudes, purple to get a creative look. Topping it off with the famous simple winged eyeliner. Applying mascara or fake lashes further enhances the look of your eyes. Isn't it the perfect wedding season look? Thank you for watching.